Mula sa Dumaguete ang ating weekly finalist number 2, Mart Joseph Garcia.
I walked in the ring of a far-off place when the heroes welcome will be waiting for me. When the crowd will cheer, when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, out of every mile will be worth for my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Daddy, I'm on a road to embrace my faith. It will lead me wonder. It will lead me to you. For 1,000 years will be worth my will. It would take like a lifetime, but somehow I see it through. But I won't look back. I can go the distance. I will stay on track. I won't accept defeat. And I know lives low, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance. And my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory, for the heart is born. For the hero's fame measured by his heart, by his heart. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. Like a shooting star, I can go the distance. I will search the world. I will face its harms. I don't care how far. I can go the distance till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms. I will search the world. I will face its harms till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms.
Real Star weekly finalist number 2, Mart Joseph Garcia.
Wow! Para naman akong si Moana. Oo, di ba yung nasa bangka kami tapos kumakanta siya na, oh my God, daddy, oo.
Na-feel yung pagiging
Wa-
Moana.
Totoo. So ano naman ang pakiramdam na finally na ikanta mo ng iyong weekly finalist piece.
Masaya naman.
Masaya. Happy ka naman sa performance
Of course.
mo.
Yes,
Okay,
pero
that's
happy din
important.
naman kaya ang ating hurado. Ngayon,
ang tanong.
naman, pakinggan naman natin ang ating komento ng ating fantastic na hurado na si Seren Saidon.
Thank you, Baby Love Sugar. Ayun, Sir Mart. Ayun.
Yes po.
Sir Mart, ayun, one thing lang ay yung concern ko for you. Saan yung province mo again? Sorry.
Dumaguete po.
Dumaguete. So, kailan ka lumuwas ng Manila?
2015.
2015. And for sure, syempre, yung half of your life, doon ka lumaki ng Dumaguete. Kaya one thing, yung concern ko lang sa'yo, kasi ang mother tongue kasi, mga guys, mahirap talaga matanggal yan. Which is yung accent natin yan. Punto natin yan. Even me, may mother tongue ako. No? So lumaki din ako ng province. Iloilo, Negros, even somewhere. Pero na-practice ko siya. And yun yung worry ko sa'yo kasi ang isa sa mga ano natin dito is intonation. No? So, pero you know what? Ang galing mong humugot ng notes pataas. Hindi ko nga alam kung yung technique mo ang galing eh. Tapos yung frustration ko kasi yung kantang yan, Go the Distance. So ang hirap niyang kantahin pero nagawan mo ng konting bend, bale, nang hindi masyadong alam mo yun, na-restructure. So overall actually nagagalingan ako sa iyo. Yun, may konting minimal lang pero hindi malaking impact for me to ha. Yun lang naman yung concern ko. So the rest I'm good for you and congratulations, ang galing mo.
Thank you po.
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat, Horado Renz. Congratulations. Yan. At sa ating pagbabalik ay malalaman na natin ang resulta at tatanghaling weekly tapatan winner at uusad patungo sa darating na semifinals. Sa pagbabalik yan ng The Real Star ng Fall in Love with Ron Season 2.
Ay,
Sanang loob